Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Internet Marketer Training Channel, your go-to source for cutting-edge marketing insights. We're proud to present expert strategies, tips, and tools to help you grow, engage, and succeed online. Whether you're an entrepreneur, content creator, or marketing pro, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and unlock the power of internet marketing. The Internet Marketer Training Channel is proud to present.
Hey there, aspiring internet marketers, digital marketers, and YouTubers. Welcome back to the Internet Marketer Training Channel. Today, I've got some exciting news that could seriously level up your content creation game. I am pleased to share that Pixverse just dropped their V4 upgrade, completely free, and it's packed with features that marketers need to know about. If you've been struggling with slow rendering times, stability issues, or lackluster video content, this update is specifically designed to solve those pain points. Plus, there's a brand new feature that could save you hundreds on audio production. Let's dive in. Before we get into the details, here's the headline. Pixverse V4 is faster, more stable, comes with enhanced video restyle capabilities, and introduces text-prompted auto sound generation. Best of all, this is a free upgrade. Let's talk about speed first. As marketers, we're always racing against deadlines, and V4 delivers. Based on my testing, I'm seeing rendering speeds approximately 10 times faster than most free competitors. I am a fan of AI-free video, for example, which provides superb free online text or image to video software, which does not include sound. Will take several minutes to create a video. The free Pixverse of Pixverse will have your video ready in seconds. If you've ever lost work online due to a site crashing, you'll appreciate this next part. The V4 upgrade brings significant stability improvements. Now, the video restyle capability is where things get interesting. This allows you to completely transform the look and feel of footage without extensive editing knowledge. Please take a moment to think about what this means. You can repurpose client testimonials with different visual styles for different platforms, transform stock footage to match your brand aesthetic, or quickly create variations of the same content for A/B testing. And here's the feature that's also genuinely a real plus: text-prompted auto sound generation. Now you can simply type what kind of audio you want, whether that's upbeat corporate background music, suspenseful reveal sound, or gentle notification tone, and Pixverse will generate it automatically and sync it to your content. The new feature helps to get the perfect sound, and, of course, is a huge time saver. As always, if this helped you level up your marketing toolkit, hit that like button and subscribe for more digital marketing intelligence. Until next time, keep optimizing.
If you are finding value in this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up.
And consider joining the channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching. I wish you much success.